Hello. Hola. Bonjour. Ciao. Good day, mate. Konnichiwa. Ni hao. Jumbo. Good day. Sup?
Hey aspiring homies, this is Sheila Comey here, asking you to join me in solving several English language mysteries. On our Sounds of Language journeys, we will encounter many language skill-focused adventures. You will contend with reading, writing, listening, and speaking mysteries. You may be afraid at first, but that's okay because as we do this together, it will become easier and each adventure level brings you closer to becoming one of my homies. Remember the different suspects in our first adventure? We learned that D-O-G spells dog, that C-A-T spells cat, and even that B-A-B-Y spells baby. Maybe our next adventure level is to discover the other vowel sounds. Well, aspiring homies, we've got a lot of work to do to demystify the mysteries of the English language and to fight for literacy in our country.